A U.S. Air Force F-35 fighter jet crashed at Eielson Air Force Base near Fairbanks, Alaska, on Tuesday afternoon, marking the latest in a series of incidents involving the aircraft. The crash occurred at 12:49 p.m. within the base perimeter, causing significant damage to the jet. The pilot ejected safely and was transported to Bassett Army Hospital for medical evaluation. A video of the crash, recorded near a KC-135R Stratotanker on the base ramp, shows the F-35 spinning uncontrollably before hitting the runway and exploding into a fireball. The pilot's parachute is visible in the footage, confirming he ejected moments before impact. Base officials have yet to confirm whether the accident occurred during takeoff, landing, or taxiing. Colonel Paul Townsend, commander of the 354th Fighter Wing, stated that a thorough investigation would be conducted to identify the cause and prevent future incidents. Emergency response teams arrived quickly at the scene, while authorities restricted photography along the nearby Richardson Highway, citing safety concerns. The crash marks the third F-35 accident in the past year, adding to concerns about the aircraft's safety record. Since its first flight nearly 2 decades ago, the F-35 has been involved in 31 crashes. In May 2024, an F-35 crashed in New Mexico following a refueling stop, seriously injuring the pilot. In September 2023, a Marine Corps F-35 crashed in South Carolina after a flight control malfunction, with the aircraft continuing to fly for 11 minutes after the pilot ejected. A similar incident occurred in December 2022 when an F-35B crashed at Naval Air Station Fort Worth during a failed vertical landing attempt. The F-35 Lightning II, developed by Lockheed Martin, is a fifth-generation stealth fighter designed for multi-role combat missions. Despite its advanced capabilities, the program has faced persistent criticism due to maintenance delays, flight control malfunctions, and mission readiness issues. The $1.7 trillion lifetime cost of the program has drawn scrutiny, particularly as reports indicate that many aircraft remain grounded due to repair delays. Technical challenges continue to impact the F-35's reliability. Software malfunctions and autopilot errors have contributed to past crashes, while concerns over the Martin-Baker ejection seat system remain unresolved. Harsh weather conditions in regions like Alaska pose additional risks, affecting aircraft performance. A 2023 Pentagon report highlighted low mission readiness rates, stating that the F-35 often takes twice as long to repair as required. Eielson AFB, located 25 miles south of Fairbanks, is a key Arctic defense hub. The base was selected in 2016 to host 54 F-35s as part of a $500 million expansion, bringing in 3,500 personnel and their families. The aircraft's long-range capabilities, allowing it to fly over 12 hours non-stop, make it critical for U.S. military operations in the Northern Hemisphere. However, repeated crashes have led to questions about its operational reliability. A formal investigation is now underway to determine the cause of the accident, with experts analyzing flight data, pilot reports, and mechanical systems. If systemic issues are identified, further scrutiny of the F-35 program may follow, potentially leading to delays in deployment or modifications to the aircraft's design. The latest crash comes as Elon Musk, recently appointed to advise the U.S. government on federal spending, has criticized the F-35 program, calling it outdated and inefficient. He has suggested that investments should shift toward drone technology instead of manned fighter jets. Thanks for watching.